Hey everyone, this is Harshavardhan Gaikwad from HGPA classes, Pune. Well, first of all, thank you so much for your love and support for my CMA final SFM lectures. Tomorrow, 18th of July, we at HGPA, we are coming out with an all subjects demo lectures for CMA finals. Not just one, but all the subjects. We're starting at 5 p.m. sharp on our HGPA YouTube channel. Well, if you have completed your CMA Inter examinations, if you're given your CMA Inter examinations, and if you are searching for the best CMA final classes, well, you need to check out our demo lectures tomorrow at 5 p.m. The schedule is already posted on our HGPA Instagram handle, which is that HGPA_CA_CS_CMA. Or if you want it on your WhatsApp, you can just simply WhatsApp to 992151185. We will be very happy to send you the schedule. Point number 2, if you are in your CMA finals and if you are already given one group, that's group 3 or group 4, either of them, even you can attend the demo lectures, because tomorrow demo lectures will be for both the groups, for group 3 as well as group 4. Okay, so you know what to do. Sharp at 5 p.m. tomorrow, HGPA YouTube channel. That's the place where you want to be if you want to clear your CMA finals. Thank you so much.